Today is Monday. Anna wakes up early. She looks outside the window. It is raining. She says, "Oh no, it's raining." She puts on a jacket and takes an umbrella. She walks to school. The road is wet. The sky is gray. Many people have umbrellas. At school, her friend Lily says, "Hi, Anna, it's very rainy today." Anna says, "Yes, but I like rainy days." Lily asks, "Why?" Anna says, "Because I can read books and drink hot tea." After class, the rain stops. The sun comes out. Anna smiles and says, "It is a good day."